What's going on, guys? Sal here, back with another video. Today, Dan's coming over. We're going to be installing a boost gauge today in his car. He just bought a new set of Savage performance gauges. He's coming over and we're going to do that. So on most of my previous videos, I used to do awesome B-roll sequences that everyone loved, and I've lately forgot about doing that. So I got my 50mm. Let's go do some B-roll. That's what they look like. It's like fully digital, it looks like.
Yeah.
So this is the boost sensor that goes into a power cable because the gauge is fully electric. So there's no actual physical boost pressure going to the gauges. It's all controlled by this. We've got everything laid out. So what Dan's doing is ripping out the radio. We're gonna tap into the dimmer switch. So we've got the boost sensor cable going from BOV to inside the car.
So 2 vacuum lines go into each end here, and this one goes into the bottom end, which means that this other end goes into here, which is connected to the gauge.
So after trying, we finally got the gauge to work. So we've wired it up. We've got the boost line coming from the boost T running towards the sensor. So that sensor's going to go through the grommet that we've pushed it through. And then in here we've got the gauge set up. So we've looked at the wiring diagram of the radio and then matched up the wires that we've got from the diagram from the gauge to give us a signal and everything that we need, instead of going through the steering column and cutting up all that. This is much easier. Everything's set out and it's really easy.
Alright, I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on and see what happens.
Oh my god, I thought it wasn't turning off.
Turn it on, test. Some good shit right there, eh?
Yeah, so we're going to put all this back behind there, put the radio back on, and also hook up the other gauges and series, so we only need to run one power to power all 3 gauges.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. He's already getting into the YouTube game.
Nah, I got to get used to it, but...
Let's fucking put all this shit back together.
Yeah.
Alright, if I tap it. Well, how good are they?
Pretty good, I'm happy.
Let's go for a little drive and see if the boost gauge actually works.
Yeah, alright, Guinness.
We're off to go and get some dinner. We're going to Macca's obviously because nothing else is open at 9:30, is that right?
Yep.
9:30 at night. So we're going to go do a little bit of a pull, do a few pulls to see if the boost gauge actually fully works or not. Let's see. This is the only one that's hooked up. This is the boost gauge. Can't see, you're too black. See all that? Awesome. Just got back, just devoured that Macca's. If you want to see more installs, leave a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.